presenting a pre-owned 2010 Dodge Journey SXT. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Dodge has less than 153,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.